Hi everyone, welcome to This Week in iTech. I have had a request for some explanation on the Twitter Ed Chat, so I'm just going to walk you through one of the ways you can do that through one of the most popular Twitter Ed Chats. And as you can see here, I'm on the Twitter page, and you can search hashtag EdChat, or you can search this gentleman here, Tom Whitby, and he's one of the moderators for the Ed Chat on Tuesday. And this is probably the biggest Ed Chat. It is Tuesday evening at 5 p.m., 7 p.m. Eastern. And if you can't make that one, there's a list of other ones you can join. So it's not a huge deal, but I would recommend this one just because there's really good participation. So if you search for Tom Whitby here, you will see that today he has posted the topics, potential topics for the Ed Chat today. So we can click here and look at the polls and see what the discussion could be. So they're going to ask, what do you want the topic to be for today, 225? The poll is now closed, but it usually opens on Monday and you can vote on it. So these were the questions they elected to look at, and since this one has 43%, which is 16 votes, the topic is going to be if educators should focus on how kids should learn rather than what they should learn, what does that look like? So at 7 p.m. Eastern, 5 p.m. our time, Mountain Time if you're in Wyoming, tonight they will kick off the discussion for that. So what you will do is at 5 p.m. you will log in and search Twitter Ed Chat. And you'll want to go to latest, not top, because this will keep a constant scroll of conversation happening. So at 5 p.m., people from all over the world just log in and start to discuss this topic, and it will continuously refresh. So if you're on latest, versus if you're on top, you'll only see the ones that have the most likes. At that time, they also ask others to stop using the hashtag EdChat during that time so that the conversation focuses plainly on the topic at hand. So what you will do if you want to respond, Tom will get on and say, here's our question of the evening, and you can respond directly to him, or you can just tweet. And so if you tweet, and this is on the computer, it's going to look a little bit different on your phone, then you click there, and it has the hashtag EdChat for me because I'm on that page. And it's really important that I keep that there so that it will be included as part of the Twitter conversation. It's kind of the way that it gets pulled in. So I can type in whatever I choose to answer the conversation and then tweet it, and it will go out. And you can respond to the question and just put hashtag EdChat. You can come in and click your bubble here and respond to a tweet if there's one you really like. Or you can respond to the moderator, and you can include pictures or GIFs or anything else you would like. So however you want to do that. The requirement is 3 tweets per session. You need to do 2 conversations throughout the course of the semester, and 3 tweets per conversation. So you're going to have 6 total. Now, in the past, I used to say add me on your Twitter, and then I would go through and look, but that's kind of time consuming, and some people frankly only have a Twitter for this conversation, and as soon as they're done, they want to delete it. So now what you will need to do is screenshot your tweets, and you can see if you go to your home, I can go on and look at the tweets that I have done. Under my profile, and I have it right here. I can screenshot that and show. And as you'll see, I don't use my education Twitter very often except to demo this. So, but I can screenshot the ones I've done, and then I upload those images to the EdChat assignment under the course. And this week we are talking about integrated learning platforms and Web 2.0 tools, some of which could include Twitter, although that will most likely be next week in communication. So be sure that you are answering the discussion. We are back to our normal discussion. So your first post by Wednesday at midnight and 2 responses, preferably on other days. And your literacy summary is also due this week. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out and let me know. And otherwise, I will be online and interacting with you. I appreciate your participation as always, and I hope you have a great week.